Welcome back to my channel again. Sorry for the delay, but Sam and Timo, my best friends, bought me a major computer update for my birthday and everything had to be installed. So here are my two birthday unboxings, one I ordered for myself and one from some YouTube friends. Let's start with one I ordered myself, as it came in first. This I ordered from Ecuagenera, Europe, one of my most favorite tropical plants and orchid stores that always send me high quality plants. As usual, everything's perfectly packed, so I don't expect any serious damages to the plants. I also ordered some more clear pots and sphagnum moss to make more moss poles. While unboxing, I saw there was one more plant than I ordered. Now I'm really curious. The people that run Ecuagenera here in Europe are ever so friendly, take good care of their plants, and when contacting them, they always reply as soon as they can. They may not be the cheapest, but the extra price is totally worth it. And by the way, I'm sorry for the possible extra noises while narrating this video, because Otto, the cute little pink gala or rose-breasted cockatoo that really belongs to Sam, and Timo is visiting for a few days, and that little guy, for whatever reason, sticks to me like glue. So indeed, I ordered 4 plants and got 5. So let's take a closer look at each of the ordered ones, plus the extra freebie. First off, Monstera deliciosa mint. This is a large form of Monstera deliciosa, one I've wanted for many years, but was way too expensive for my budget. Still a young plant, but it'll grow. Instead of the elbow, this one is light green, minty variegated, instead of the white of the elbow. You'll see one of the leaves was a bit crushed during transport, but after a few hours it straightened itself out again. My most beloved Philodendron species certainly is the verrucosum. I already grow a few forms or varieties of them, so this one is a welcome addition. I know many people struggle growing this one, but for me it seems to be easy going. I just love it, and another variety added to my collection. This variety has stunning dark green leaves, quite heart-shaped, but yet a bit elongated, and green undersides. This one, the Philodendron Jose Buono, seems to be one of the easiest to grow variegated climbing philodendron, and I like the green on green variegation. This already is a beautiful young plant and was very cheap, so it was just that extra one added to my basket. So let's see how it does in future. Anthurium warocqueanum Esmeralda. To be honest, to me it's the most beautiful form of the three queen Anthuriums I've got. I've got the standard form, the narrow leaf form, and now this beautiful Esmeralda which has stunning silky shining leaves. Love it. I hope it will adjust fine to my indoor growing conditions just like my other two do. And the freebie, Anthurium Happy Bunny, a cross between Anthurium pinklei and Anthurium luxurians. From what I found online, adult leaf size and shape can vary a lot, but the luxuriance influence is clearly there, and that's one of my favorite Anthuriums. Although I'm not a fan of crossbred plants in general, I do love this one and can't wait to see it mature. So thanks Ecuagenera Europe for sending me this extra plant. And then, the next day, another box arrived. Some YouTube friends came together and sent me an extra birthday gift. This one from Casa Botanica in the Netherlands, a shop I had never heard of before. So let's see what's in it. I guess I'm as curious as you are. Five more packets, all nicely packed and shipped. But what's in it? And this is what was sent to me. And again, thank you to my YouTube friends who were so kind to chip in and send me this birthday gift. Let's have a closer look. I'm following the names that are on the invoice that was sent with the plants, because none of them are labeled. First up, Schefflera triangularis. When looking it up, it seems to be a South American species I had never heard of before, and the leaf shape looks like Ficus triangularis, but these leaves are small, almost tiny. I love it and thinking of maybe converting it to a bonsai in future when it adjusted to my growing conditions. I really love it. A very nice young Anthurium magnificum with already a stunning large leaf, and just look at the veining, it's wonderful and eye-catching, just plain wonderful, and thinking leaf size will increase with maturity, then what's there not to love about it? Anthurium veitchii, I already have a small one, but while we were communicating, I must have mentioned that it wasn't doing well, it just doesn't seem to grow, so they bought me another one. And this one is certainly larger in size and way better grown than the one I already have. Really appreciate it. They knew I was looking for a strap-leaved Anthurium, and then they chose this one for me, Anthurium vittarifolium Variegata. To be honest, I couldn't believe my eyes when I took it out of the paper. It's a young tissue culture plant, and according to the invoice, this one was certainly not cheap, but they included it anyway. God, I love this one. Can't wait to see it grow with these long, bell-shaped strap leaves. The variegation looks like yellow flames on a dark green surface. Stunning. This plant must be pampered, well, like all my plants, but I really love this one. It must be one of my top favorite variegated Aroids in my collection now. And another one on my wish list, Philodendron Florida Beauty. Just love the leaf shape and the different variegation every leaf can show. Again, still a young plant, most likely tissue culture, but it's already gorgeous. The latest leaf starts to show maturity signs and already shows the red petioles that it will have when it gets mature. The only thing I can say about this year's birthday is it was fantastic, health is getting better by the day, and all presents are greatly appreciated. And again, thanks to my YouTube friends who wanted to stay anonymous for sending me this box of plants. And now, in total, I have 10 more to care for, plus 2 Alocasia caprea. Boy oh boy, my hobby is getting out of hand again, but I love taking care of them. Thanks for watching. Next up will be orchid flowers that I had over summer. See you next time!